how to buy Layer token on Trust Wallet. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. So this token, it's available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solayer network. Now, open your Trust Wallet for that. Now scroll down, click on Manage Crypto, and now click on this plus icon. Select the Solana as a network from here, as you can see. So after you find it, click on it, paste the token address here, click on add tokens. So after that, search for the Layer token. So after you find it, click on it. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, click on buy here. But the only way to buy this token on your wallet is by having it on another wallet. To go to that wallet that you have that token on it, click on send, and after that they will ask you for withdrawal address. Now go back to your Trust Wallet and click on receive here. After you select the token, click on proceed anyway. Now select the token again. It will be, as you can see, click on it. Now copy it, withdraw all this, go back to that wallet that you have that token, paste it there and click on send, and you will be able to receive it on your Trust Wallet. So this is how to buy Layer token to Trust Wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.